If you ever encounter this error while using the Microsoft Deployment Toolkit or System Center Configuration Manager, you are not alone. And in this video, we will show you some fixes. So first off, we recommend getting started by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. You have to verify that your connection is active and functional, and if you have multiple connections available, you can try switching to a different one to see if that helps. Next, manually format the hard drive using diskmark command by performing a PXE boot from your BIOS settings, then press F8 key to select the task sequence. Now on the command prompt, type in the following commands one by one, and then press enter for each one. Then, restart your computer. But if that still did not work, convert UEFI boot mode to Legacy BIOS boot mode. To do so, open command prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, press enter, and wait for the process to be completed. Now when it is done, go to Settings, select System, go to Recovery, choose Advanced Startup option, and then select Restart Now. Then after doing that, choose Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, select UEFI Firmware Settings, and this will take you to the BIOS. And then from the boot configuration, choose Set to UEFI. And those are the ways on how you can fix the following error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.